Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a simple 2-ingredient hair growth recipe that will stop hair breakage as well as help your hair to grow faster. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the 2 ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe is dried chamomile flowers and your choice of carrier oil. I'm going to be using sunflower oil. So I have half an ounce of dried chamomile flowers, and I also have about a cup, maybe a cup and a half of sunflower oil. So I'm just going to empty these 2 packets of chamomile flowers, which I got from Walmart in the spice section, and I'm just going to put that into my mason jar. And the reason why I'm using chamomile is because chamomile contains many essential vitamins that have great benefits for healthy hair and scalp. These combined vitamins work together to repair and nourish cells, which helps to make your hair strands stronger. Using chamomile regularly can lead to accelerated hair growth and fewer split ends. And then I'm going to pour the sunflower oil into the mason jar. And the reason why I'm using sunflower oil is because it contains fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E, making it deeply nourishing and soothing to dry hair and scalp. It locks in moisture and helps keeps hair healthy and strong. So I already had some water boiling on the stove, and I'm just going to place my mason jar into the water, and I have my stove set in between medium to low heat, and I'm just going to let it sit for about 3 hours. So now this is what the oil looks like after about 3 hours, and I'm just going to take a cheesecloth and I'm going to strain the oil. So if you choose not to do the stove method like I did to infuse the oil with the chamomile, you can also use a crock pot if you have one, or you can also just put the mason jar into a cabinet and let it sit for about a week to 2 weeks. So now I'm just going to take the oil and place it into an applicator bottle so that way it's easier to apply to the hair. So when it comes to this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. When using it as a hot oil treatment, just apply it to your scalp and your hair and massage it in, and then you can sit underneath a heated cap or a steamer or a blow dryer for about 20 minutes, and afterwards you can wash it out. And when using it as a scalp oil, you can just incorporate it into your moisturizing routine. Also, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. And all you have to do is just massage it into your scalp and then apply it throughout the rest of your hair down to your ends. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.